Achieving toned abs is a popular fitness goal that can be reached through a combination of dynamic exercises, proper nutrition, and cardio. While traditional crunches are still valuable, trainers now emphasize a variety of ab workouts such as planks, squats, and standing crunches, which should be integrated with a balanced diet and cardiovascular exercise. Begin your routine with a warm-up and focus on pulling your abs in during each movement to enhance definition and prevent bulkiness. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes of ab workouts 3 to 4 times a week, incorporating cardio sessions 3 to 5 times weekly to burn excess fat that may obscure your abs. Additionally, consider taking classes like Pilates or yoga for variety and motivation, and switch up your exercises every 4 to 6 weeks to keep your routine engaging.